Hello, so here we are with our new device. This is battery discharger. This can discharge 40 batteries at a time. Here are the 40 terminals for the 40 batteries. Each wire, a battery can be attached at each wire, and the grounding for all the batteries has been provided separately on the back side. So this is our new machine which is used to discharge the batteries, and at the same time it is recording their discharging curve and saving the data in the Excel. So we have one USB support with us, so we can plug the USB into our computer, and then we can make the discharging curve of all the 40 batteries at the same time. We can also see that how much time they will take to discharge. We can also set the cutoff voltage where we can cut off the battery discharging whenever the cutoff voltage is achieved. So this is our device. Now I give the power supply to it. Yeah. So this is the power indicator LED which shows that the power is properly provided to the machine. You can hear a sound. This sound is of the fan. A cooling fan has been attached in the device just to keep all the components cool. Okay, so now I'll shift it. So this is our device. Yeah. So this is the back portion of the device. It has one on-off switch. Okay, so now the device is off. You can see the power indication LED. So now we can switch it on. Okay, so the device is on. We have a fuse here. This is a 5 ampere fuse. Then we have a switch here which is used to switch between recording on and recording off. When we are in the recording on mode, the battery discharging curve is being recorded, and when the recording mode is off, we can write the cutoff voltage in the EEPROM memory of the device. So this is the machine. The length of the machine is 36 centimeter and the width of the machine is 45 centimeter with a height of 13 centimeter. So it is not a big device, and definitely it's not a big device when we can discharge all the 40 batteries at the same time. So let's take one example. Let's say we have a battery of 8.4 volt and we have set the cutoff voltage at 5.6 volt. So now what will happen is that when we make the device in recording off mode and set the voltage and cutoff voltage in the EEPROM of this device, now this device has saved all the numbers. Okay, now next time whenever we will attach the battery of 8.4 volt, it will start discharging the battery, then it will start recording the battery voltage in the computer, it will save all the data in Excel file, and whenever the cutoff voltage is achieved, then it will cut off the battery discharging. So this is used to calculate the discharging time of the battery. This is also used to calculate the efficiency and radius curve of the battery.
Okay, you have designed this system for some industrial purpose or commercial purpose?
Yeah, basically this is designed for industrial purpose. In many industries there are modules of 40 batteries. Like let's say for example, there are NIMF batteries which have a package of 40 batteries within them. So this is basically designed for them. They can attach all the modules of the battery all the 40 modules of the battery and discharge all the modules at the same time and calculate which particular module is defective, if any. Else they can calculate that all are working very fine.
Okay, what do you mean by defect in a battery?
There can be many type of defects, like let's say, let's assume that we have one module with not a proper functioning. Okay, so when all the batteries will give us 1 hour discharging time, that defective piece can give let's say 30 minutes. So
Okay, means the curve of the particular battery that is defective is not is exactly that the natural curve is gained by for 1 hour.
yeah, when we will discharge all the batteries at the same time, it will graph all the batteries and we can easily see which graph is deviated from all the batteries. Like we have a natural graph already plotted on the software, and if any battery shows deviation, then we can know about that battery.
Okay, exactly. Start. Okay, Ayush, can you tell me how software is going to work on?
Okay, let's do one thing. I'll attach a battery to this device and let's record the data of the battery.
Okay.
And then we can see how it works.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.